see you again with Car Expert YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to get the newest update of car reviews. Without further ado, here are the most popular cars in the United States. Starting from number 10. Nissan Rogue. September 2016 sales, 26,459. Change versus September 2015, plus 13.3. Sticker price, $24,230 to $30,980. Fuel economy, 26 miles per gallon city, 33 miles per gallon highway. Available in front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive, the Nissan Rogue follows the popular recipe for a crossover with seating for 5, a stylish exterior, and usable performance. Number 9. Honda Accord. September 2016 sales, 27,204. Change versus September 2015, minus 2.3%. Sticker price, $23,190 to $35,665. Fuel economy, 23 miles per gallon city, 32 miles per gallon highway. The Accord is Honda's largest car, offering generous interior space for up to 5 people wrapped in stylish exterior sheet metal. Number 8. Honda Civic. September 2016 sales, 28,184. Change versus September 2015, plus 13.6%. Sticker price, $19,575 to $27,435. Fuel economy, 28 miles per gallon city, 40 miles per gallon highway. The Honda Civic looks to maintain its position as the best-selling compact car in America with premium features, lots of safety equipment and excellent fuel economy. Number 7. Toyota RAV4. September 2016 sales, 29,348. Change versus September 2015, plus 14.2. Sticker price, $25,850 to $37,090. Fuel economy, 23 miles per gallon city, 30 miles per gallon highway. The Toyota RAV4 is one of the compact SUVs that created the class and includes many outstanding features that make it an even more useful family vehicle. Number 6. Toyota Camry. September 2016 sales, 30,707. Change versus September 2015, minus 8.8. Sticker price, $23,935 to $31,005. Fuel economy, 24 miles per gallon city, 33 miles per gallon highway. The Toyota Camry is the juggernaut of the midsize sedan segment. And for good reason. This car appeals to the average car buyer with its safety, fuel economy, exterior looks and standard features. Number 5. Honda CR-V. September 2016 sales, 31,884. Change versus September 2015, plus 1.5%. Sticker price, $24,745 to $33,095. Fuel economy, 27 miles per gallon city, 33 miles per gallon highway. The 2016 Honda CR-V is roomy and versatile, which is great for today's family on the go. It's good in adverse weather, fuel efficient and comes with lots of trunk space. Number 4. Toyota Corolla. September 2016 sales, 32,272. Change versus September 2015, plus 3.2%. Sticker price, $19,365 to $24,680. Fuel economy, 28 miles per gallon city, 36 miles per gallon highway. The latest Toyota Corolla is much bolder looking than past versions, and although it's still far from the most exciting car on the road, it's fuel efficient and reliable, two key qualities for commuters. Number 3. Chevrolet Silverado. September 2016 sales, 45,380. Change versus September 2015, minus 3.5. Sticker price, $28,780 to $55,340. Fuel economy, 18 miles per gallon city, 24 miles per gallon highway. The 2017 Chevy Silverado is big, bold and, now, more fuel efficient. This truck can handle almost anything you can throw at it, making it a great choice whether you're hauling families or hauling trailers. Number 2. Ram 1500 to 3500. September 2016 sales, 47,792. Change versus September 2015, plus 8.3%. Sticker price, $26,840 to $53,0115. Fuel economy, 17 miles per gallon city, 25 miles per gallon highway. The 2016 iteration of the Ram 1500 is much more fuel efficient without sacrificing its capability on and off-road, making it a popular pickup for the masses. Number 1. Ford F-Series. September 2015 sales, 69,651. Change versus September 2015, plus 5.5%. Sticker price, $26,485 to $60,295. Fuel economy, 18 miles per gallon city, 24 miles per gallon highway. The 2015 Ford F-150 was a revolutionary step forward in the full-size pickup truck market, and it hasn't slowed down since.